It's actually mixed. 9.5 out of 10.
So throw me a line, we can weather the storm till the end. And I run till I meet the sun. And I run till I reach the seas. At the edge of the ocean, there's a place to start over again. At the edge of the ocean holds a place we can start over again. Follow the light, we can count on the stars to shine. Travel billions of miles, we can light up the skies tonight. Normal life, you were so hard to find. When the morning arrives, you'll be standing there by my side. And I run till I meet the sun. And I run
I'm already halfway done.
till I reach the seas.
The waves pick up the
The edge of the ocean, there's a place to start over again. At the edge of the ocean holds a place we can start over again.
Alright, we left the beach.
We just watched sunset. It was so pretty. Another Red Bull seltzer. I got cherry, watermelon, and raspberry. This morning I got peach, watermelon, and strawberry. So taste test. That's even better than this morning.
And I got a muffin.
We've had all of them, but he hasn't had the bunnies. So we got 2 bunnies, 1 piggy, and 1 cow.
Yep.
He got the cow.
Yep.
I've never had the cow, but I don't like the mushrooms.
Oh, yeah. I'm trying to keep the ears on the bunny.
Mm. That one.
That's good.
It's time for our power sculpt class. Get up. We have to pay $10 if we don't go. It looks cold out there.
I know.
Where are we going?
We're going to do some yoga.
Some power flow yoga.
Power flow hot yoga. Yeah. At Yoga Box.
Sticker, a towel.
I'm taking over GoPro duty. Here I am once again. It's a little chilly. It's McBreezy. Shout out McBreezy.
Doesn't look funny.
No. So cute. Don't think I'm ready to eat just right yet. The line is long today. Good, thank you. Alright, so the sandwich that we wanted is not available until 30 more minutes. So we're gonna go walk around the food hall and see if there's anything else, and if not, then we'll come back.
I think I'm addicted to your hands on my lips. I think it's the first time that I know that. And I want you so bad that I'm scared that now I know how good it is if you ever. I think I'm
Alright, Pigment. Now we're gonna take some photos.
Are you gonna have that on in your pictures?
No.
I think I'm addicted to your hands on my hips. I think it's the first time that I know what I need. And I want you so bad that I'm scared